So there are some interesting directions when we really consider how to deploy these entangled sources in a practical quantum network. One of such schemes, which would be very interesting and important in order to allow for this, is multiplexing. As Michelle talked about, there is a very low probability of generation of these entangled photons when we seed the pump into the nonlinear medium. It is essential for us to achieve high entanglement generation rates so that we can scale distances in a practical fiber optic quantum network, and also scale number of nodes that we are using in the system, etc. In order to do this, we can rely on multiple sources that can be put together to achieve one successful generation by considering all these sources at the same time, so that the probability of entanglement generation is enhanced. Equivalently, we can consider multiple frequency bands that can all be utilized. We can consider multiple time bins over which we'll try to generate entangled photons. So such schemes for multiplexing can allow us to enhance the entanglement generation rate. Further, if we want to distribute entanglement across two very distant nodes, we need to find a way in order to have a repeater protocol that is implemented. And here we rely on the concept of heralded entanglement generation, where there are multiple entanglement sources in the network, and we interfere one of the photons from first source with another photon from the second source. Here specifically we call those as photons 2 and 3 or photons 4 and 5 at a common node, where we will perform a projection measurement onto a maximally entangled state, also known as Bell state. So such a Bell state measurement makes sure that photons 1 and 4 marked here will be entangled after photons 2 and 3 are projected to a Bell state. And such a system can now be cascaded, and we can achieve entanglement between photons 1 and 6, although these two photons have never actually interacted. So such a cascaded system of heralded entanglement generation, where we use two photons that are heralded at one of the Bell state measurement nodes to generate entanglement at two distant nodes, is going to become crucial in achieving a practical quantum network.